Ah, this river flows like the heart of our people, Igbo and Kom, united. May my journey bring blessings to both lands. No one will know, just a few kola nuts, a little land. It's only for me. Soon, both lands will think I am generous, but the wealth will be mine. Where is the kola? Falling before it ripens. This is impossible. No one must see. No one. It bleeds the earth. Spirits, please forgive me. I did not think. I will fix it, I swear. I have wronged both our people. I lied. I stole. I thought I could hide it. But truth cannot be silenced. Forgive me, elders. Forgive me, ancestors. I see now greed clouds the mind, but truth lights the path. From this day, I will honor both lands and live by what the OG tree and the sacred stone have taught me.
Children of Igbo, listen. The OG tree has watched over our land for centuries. It speaks not in words, but in signs. Respect it, and peace will remain. See how the kola falls before it is ripe. The ancestors do not sleep.
Someone among us has hidden greed in their heart. The OG tree does not lie.
Obinna, my son, I see worry in your eyes. The tree senses your heart.
Correct your ways before the river of truth reveals them to all.
People of Obinna, the OG tree cries tonight. Truth is not silent, and justice shall not be denied. Whoever walks with lies, reveal yourself, or the ancestors will reveal.
Remember, the OG tree watches beyond our sight.
Speak truth. I'm Fon Bafo, guardian of the Sacred Stone of Nkar. Ancestors speak through it. Listen, the stone tells the truth. The sacred stone trembles. Someone's dishonesty has stirred the land. The ancestors demand justice. Wait, and the truth will come out. Greed has taken over. The sacred stone knows the truth. Confess before it's too late. Lies won't be hidden. The ancestors see all war from. Truth will prevail. The stone accepts the confession. The land is at peace again. Let this lesson remain. Those who honor truth honor their ancestors, their families, and themselves. Lies can't hide from ancestors' watchful eyes. Walk in honesty, lest the land speak.
Why do you take what is not yours? The OG tree and the sacred stone will not be fooled. Do not bring shame upon us both.
Stop this! You reach the anger of our ancestors. This greed, it will not bring peace, only sorrow.
Courage, my husband. Courage. You have done what?
Truth walks among you. Who carries deceit? Who feeds the fire of greed?